Hey guys, got a short little video for you today. Found a couple fans, but I figure I might as well film these, even if they are kind of cheap. They're the one and only Hampton Bay Farmingtons. This is one of them. A nice black one too. Two more right here. They're kind of in this large open room they use for like, I don't know, small gatherings maybe, or as it's set up right now with a bunch of these like fake walls. Snow camp for like kids, which is like a little kids event my college holds. And yeah, they never got to clean up because of the whole COVID thing, so still a bunch of stuff in here unfortunately, but yeah, but that's besides the point. So this one still has its medallion. I figure I would film these fans just because I like how they look in here. So a little thing about them is they're only going to be on high, which I think is what they're all set to, because they're all on just one switch. And I can't really reach their pull chains because they're pretty high up. Or this one's just out of reach. They're all pretty quiet for the most part. I mean, you can hear them, but yeah. They move more air than I thought they would. That's pretty cool. I always kind of like these fans, I'm not gonna lie. They have a really nice contemporary look. They have that classic fan shape, like, or your generic one, I guess you could say. I would say the one that's probably moving the best is actually the first one with the medallion. These things can't be more than 10 years old, honestly, as far as I know. Their blades are starting to sag a little bit though, so it does show their cheap side. Because I think you can actually pick one of these up for only like 50 bucks at Home Depot right now. Well, at mine. Alright, I'll do spin down. Here they go. I already have a rough idea of which one will stop first and which one will stop last, so yeah. See if I can get all three in the shot. They're all pretty dirty too. I doubt they've been cleaned recently, or at all for that matter. But based on the dust, it looks like they've seen some good use though, so yeah. There's a smoke detector chirping somewhere. This building does, I think it has like one other fan in it, and it's like a Hampton Bay carriage house. But I cannot get to that fan. So, yeah. It's behind some locked doors, by what I understand. That's what happened when I tried last time to film it, but I never got around to it. Either it's a Hampton Bay carriage house, or it's an Encon, which I think is like the Contempra, maybe. I'm probably getting that wrong, but something like that. I imagine they wanted to save some money and they wanted fans in here, and they decided to get the best of both worlds. Get the biggest, cheapest fan you can buy. Brand new. But I'm not going to berate it too much because, like I said, I do like these fans in here. I think it is a nice look, even if they really aren't well made. We'll go over to these ones. Because this one down here, I think, is going to stop first. This one seems to be less dirty than the other two, but yeah. It's kind of in the dark, though, because of these fake walls, so it's a little harder to see. And then this guy. Yeah, that one down there with the medallion is the dirtiest. So if I'm correct, typically this one stops first. They're all pretty even, though. That is what I'm pretty surprised at. Yep, and that one's done. This one's about to stop. And yep, that's it stopped. And then just this one. One right after the other. Huh. Thanks, fans, you're pretty convenient. And it's just about stopped. Yeah, they could use a good cleaning and or, well, I would say replacing, but they're really doing a good job. The building isn't used very often, so yeah. And just for the giggles, I'll kick them back on. there they go. And all three of them actually do move some decent air together. Nothing worth writing home about, but pretty good stuff nonetheless. Especially with these walls here, it's kind of helping to channel the air. So, yeah, I think it's doing a pretty good job. Well, that's it for now, so thank you for watching and have a good day.